How to unfollow someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today we are going to see how we can remove someone as a friend, that is, unfollow someone on Snapchat. There is nothing like unfollowing on Snapchat, however, we can remove someone as a friend. First, open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Now, after you're on your home page, slide left in order to go check your friends. There, find the person that you want to remove from your followers. Tap on their profile by selecting the top username or name on your phone. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots on the top right. There you'll see the option to manage friendship. Tap on it. There, select remove friend option and voila, the friend is now removed. This is how you remove a friend or unfollow someone on Snapchat. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more similar tech content.